Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well. Let's start our science part 1 video. Question 1. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? A. Uranus, B. Mercury, C. Pluto, D. Neptune. Correct answer is option D. Neptune. Question 2. Severe deficiency of vitamin D results in A. Night blindness, B. Rickets, C. Osteomalacia, D. Scurvy. Correct answer is option B. Rickets. Question 3. Milk contains water. A. 80%, B. 70%, C. 90%, D. 75%. Correct answer is option A. 80%. Question 4. The SI unit of charge is A. Ampere, B. Volt, C. Ohm, D. Coulomb. Correct answer is option D. Coulomb. Question 5. Very high frequency, VHF, have wavelengths. A. Longest, B. Longer, C. Shorter, D. Shortest. Correct answer is option C. Shorter. Question 6. Long sight defect could be corrected by using lens. A. None of these. B. Concave, C. Convex, D. Diverging. Correct answer is option C. Convex. Question 7. Deficiency of vitamin A results in A. Rickets, B. Hair fall, C. Night blindness, D. Scurvy. Correct answer is C. Night blindness. Question 8. For a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, if we decrease volume, the pressure will A. Remains constant, B. Also decrease, C. Increase, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Increase. Question 9. The lifespan of red blood cells is days. A. 240, B. 60, C. 120, D. 180. Correct answer is option C. 120. Question 10. The density of water is A. 1 gram per cc, B. None of these, C. 2 gram per cc, D. 1.5 grams per cc. Correct answer is option A. 1 gram per cc. Question 11. Radioactivity was discovered by A. Thomson, B. Rutherford, C. Becquerel, D. Kelvin. Correct answer is option C. Becquerel. Question 12. A device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy is called A. Motor, B. Moving coil meter, C. Generator, D. Battery. Correct answer is option D. Battery. Question 13. The sun is A. Star, B. Meteor, C. Asteroid, D. Planet. Correct answer is option A. Star. Question 14. The gas used in a refrigerator to cool water is A. Ammonia, B. Methane, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is option A. Ammonia. Question 15. The average adult has a blood volume of about liters. A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 4. Correct answer is option A. 5. Question 16. The most abundant element in the universe is A. Silicon, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option C. Hydrogen. Question 17. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is A. Oxygen, B. Silicon, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option A. Oxygen. Question 18. Each day human body breathe in liters of air. A. 10,000 to 15,000, B. 5,000 to 10,000, C. 20,000 to 25,000, D. 15,000 to 20,000. Correct answer is option D. 15,000 to 20,000. Question 19. Deficiency of vitamin D results in A. Scurvy, B. Night blindness, C. Rickets, D. Hairfall. Correct answer is option C. Rickets. Question 20. The SI unit of pressure is A. Henry, B. Pascal, C. Joule, D. Tesla. Correct answer is option B. Pascal. Question 21. The most densest substance on the earth is A. Osmium, B. Copper, C. Steel, D. Platinum. Correct answer is option A. Osmium. Question 22. A camera uses A to form an image. A. Condenser lens, B. Concave lens, C. Convex lens, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Convex lens. Question 23. Which from the following is not a conductor? A. Graphite, B. All are conductors, C. Silicon, D. Aluminium. Correct answer is option B. All are conductors. Question 24. CNG stands for A. Compressed natural gas, B. Converted natural gas, C. Conducted natural gas, D. Conduced natural gas. Correct answer is option A. Compressed natural gas. Question 25. Which from the following is true for sound? A. Sound cannot travel through liquids, B. Sound cannot travel through solids, C. Sound cannot travel through gases, D. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. Correct answer is D. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. Question 26. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits into colors. A. 6, B. 7, C. 5, D. 8. Correct answer is option B. 7. Question 27. 1 nanometer equals A 10 to 12 meter, B 10 to 3 meter, C 10 to 9 meter, D 10 to 6 meter. Correct answer is option C 10 to 9 meter. Question 28. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is A. Seismograph, B. Pyrometer, C. Xylometer, D. Pyroscope. Correct answer is option B. Pyrometer. Question 29. Sound waves are waves. A. Transverse, B. Electromagnetic, C. Longitudinal, D. None of these. Correct answer is option C. Longitudinal. Question 30. The lifespan of white blood cells is days. A. 4 to 8 days, B. 3 to 7 days, C. 5 to 21 days, D. 1 to 5 days. Correct answer is option C. 5 to 21 days. Question 31. The fluid part of blood is known as A. Plasma, B. Platelets, C. Blood cells, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Plasma. Question 32. During winter in cold countries, there's mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads. A. Water, B. Chlorine, C. Salt, D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is option C. Salt. Question 33. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at last? A. River water, B. Sea water, C. Canal water, D. Water in a lake. Correct answer is option B. Sea water. Question 34. The nearest planet to the Earth is A. Moon, B. Mercury, C. Mars, D. Venus. Correct answer is option D. Venus. Question 35. The planet that moves round the Sun at the highest speed is A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Jupiter, D. Venus. Correct answer is option B. Mercury. Question 36. In general, comets have orbits A. Highly elliptical, B. elliptical. C. Parabolic. D. Circular. Correct answer is option A. Highly elliptical. Question 37. GPS is an abbreviation for A. Global Pole System. B. Global Position Structure. C. Global Polysiliconium Store. D. Global Positioning System. Correct answer is option D. Global Positioning System. Question 38. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the A. Gain of protons. B. Loss of protons. C. Loss of electrons. D. Gain of electrons. Correct answer is option C. Loss of electrons. Question 39. At night, plants intake and release A. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. B. Carbon dioxide, oxygen. C. Oxygen, carbon monoxide. D. Carbon monoxide, oxygen. Correct answer is option A. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Question 40. Urine is produced in A. Kidneys. B. Lungs. C. Large intestine. D. Liver. Correct answer is option A. Kidneys. Thanks for watching. For more relatable videos, like and subscribe.